Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Citibank credit card. So, of course, the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to citi.com. And if you don't have an account, you'll need to apply for an account after all. You'll have to click on open an account and you'll need, of course, to apply as an example for a chicken account. Click on open account and make sure to choose regular or access depending on whatever you want. Maybe as an example, I'll just go to access, it's much cheaper for the fees. Click on open an account and I'll have to fill up my information to have an account so I can even have a card. So the same will be for, as an example, the application. You'll need to go and download the application and then simply click on register for an account if you don't have an account yet to create an account. You can even, of course, sign in if you have an account using the user ID or touch ID. The same will be for citi.com. You can log in, as you can see here, at the right option. So now, how you can apply as an example for a card. So normally, as you can see, here are lists of cards that you can apply to. But once we click on apply, as an example, it will take us here so we can fill up our information. So all you need to do, just an example, type card or apply card Citibank, type it on any browser or website or web browser and click on the first link and you will find this list that I'm talking about at the moment. So here you'll find a lot of cards that you can apply for. Check the one that suits your need. And once you find the one that you like, click on apply now. And yeah, here you are. All you need just all you need just to fill up here your informations. And once you fill up those informations, you should be good to go once you click on agree and submit. And yeah, you should be good to go. You will get your credit card like that. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.